A specific type of bridge is designed to be built much faster, and now students at the University of Nevada are testing it to see how safe it is during a big earthquake. Paul Nelson shows us how it worked.
Bridges are critical to our transportation system, and that's why engineering students are looking at ways to make them safer, stronger, and easier to build. They're seeing how durable this 70-foot bridge is.
What you're looking at is the result of about 3 years of work that went into design and construction and computer simulation of this bridge.
The larger of the two tests represents an estimated magnitude 7.5 earthquake and twice what the bridge is designed for. The goal is to prevent a collapse.
Of course, with collapse, you have loss of life. And so as a structural engineer, when we come in and do these kinds of tests, we are trying to make sure that we have bridges that will withstand these events.
Jones says not only is Nevada a leader when it comes to earthquake technology, but what they're doing here could pay off down the road. Caltrans is funding this project and NDOT's paying close attention to it. And students made the trip from an Oregon college to see this test.
We have very small shake tables, bench scale shake tables at our university, and there's nothing like coming down to a big structures lab like this and seeing tests like this. So I brought 10 students. This type of bridge is prefabricated in pieces and then put together on site. Officials say this method is the future, cutting construction time by as much as 70%. Things need to happen more quickly and more reliably, so this is absolutely coming, and it's important that we have this kind of data to ensure it's done safely. The columns have some damage after the simulations, but Jones says the rest of the bridge is in good shape. So in a real earthquake, it could be repaired fairly quickly.
If it's large enough that it causes significant damage to the columns, then you'll just temporarily support your bridge, replace the columns, and then your bridge is good to go.
Covering the story, Paul Nelson, 2 News.
And Professor Seides says that the bridge costs about $500,000 to build, but worth every penny. Caltrans has already implemented University of Nevada, Reno's research on 2 bridges.